Big up to everyone, lovely family and lovely friends out there. It is always great to be here once again. Like I always say, as a people, it is always great for us to come together as a people. That is the only way we can achieve what we want to achieve in the planet. So, big up to everyone out there once again. A lot of people are sending me messages and asking that why I do not come out about Ghana Black Star Squad African Cup of Nation. I want to say big sorry to everyone out there. Due to one of two things, I couldn't able to come out about the squad. But if still you wanna know Ghana Black Star Squad, and you haven't get it yet, and I will recommend you go to Osikani TV right now and check out Osikani TV. Have all the squad there and subscribe to Osikani TV as well and give thumbs up and comment. Yeah, that is what I have for you guys, man. But while we are here, we are building for the World Cup. We try to build a Awini Unity platform studio for the World Cup. Yeah, the World Cup is 6 months, and yeah, 6 months ahead. So we are here, and we say it is time for Africa. We say it is time for Ghana. We say it is time for Cameroon. We say it is time for Morocco. It is time for Senegal. It is time for Tunisia. Well, a lot of people may be asking me that why Nigeria is not in the World Cup, why Nigeria jersey is here. Well, Nigeria is the giant of Africa, so you cannot do something without the giant of Africa. So if you find Nigeria jersey here, meaning they are fully behind all the African five teams that go into the World Cup. That is the reason why you are seeing Nigeria GC here. So guys, big up to you. We love you guys, and let's come together as a people. That is the only way we can get what we want. So thank you for tuning up to Awini Unity platform. Big up to you.